How to increase your iPad text size. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm your solution guy Bimal, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can actually increase the text size on your iPad. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So in order to change the text size, you can see that this is currently our default text size. As you can see, it's really relatively very small, and if I go ahead and also open up settings, you'll be able to see our current text size as well. If you want to change the text size, what you have to do is simply open up the settings app again. Once you launch the settings app, on the left hand side you'll be able to see a bunch of various options. You simply have to go ahead and select the one that says display and brightness. If you select display and brightness, it is going to be highlighted in blue. On display and brightness, you'll be able to customize a bunch of various options, but if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find this option which is text size. Before we go about changing the text size, you can also simply bold your text if you want. Once you tap on bold, you can see all of our text has been actually bold right over here. If you turn off the toggle, it is going to be a normal regular font. If you want to change the text size, tap on the text size button, and in order to increase or decrease, currently you can see it is on the default, which is set to middle. You simply have to drag this slider. If you want to set it to the maximum, you have to drag it to the maximum level. If you want to set it to the minimum, you can actually drag this slider to the bare minimum. As you can see in this case, it is going to apply the changes automatically, so you don't really need to tap on the save button or anything. You can simply set it to the maximum and you can actually exit out of it. Now if you go ahead and launch the settings app, you'll be able to see the new changes, but I'm going to simply leave it to the default version in this case. And this is how you can very easily change your iPad's text size. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.